Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We have a very interesting question, and the question is very, very crazy. The question says 1 over 3 raised to power x squared minus 2x all over 16 minus 2x cubed equals to the 4x root of what? Of 9. So, how do we solve this? So, please, before we solve it, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Math Therapist, and also follow us on our Facebook handle, the Math Therapist. So, we have here. Let's start by saying solution. We have solution here. So we have 1 over 3 all raised to power what? X squared minus 2x all over what? 16 minus 2x cubed equals to what? The 4x root of what? 9. So how do we solve this? Now we are going to apply some common laws in indices. Now the law saying we have something like a raised to power m all raised to power n. Now what will happen is that we multiply the powers. This is going to be a raised to power m n. And also 1 over 3 1 over 3 can be written as what? 3 raised to power what? Minus 1. And also, according to the fractional law in indices, if you have something like square root of 3, this is the same thing as saying 3 raised to power what? 1 over 2. So if you have something like 4x root of 9, it's the same thing as saying what? 9 raised to power what? 1 over 4x. You get it, right? So let's proceed. So from here, this 1 over 3, I'm going to write it as what? 3 raised to power what? Minus 1, all raised to power what? X squared minus 2x all over what? 16 minus 2x cubed equals to, now this 9 I'm going to write it as 9 all raised to power what? 1 over 4x. Now, what do we do now? According to the law of indices, that's the power law, which I explained previously. I said a raised to power m, all raised to power n is the same thing as saying multiply the powers. This is going to be a raised to power m n. So, what we do here, what we are going to do is that I'm going to use this power here to multiply everything in the numerator. So, we have here 3 into minus 1, open bracket, x squared minus 2x all over 16 minus 2x what? Cube. Now this 9 here, you know that 9 is what? 3 squared. 9 is a perfect square, so 9 is 3 squared. So what we have to do here now is saying that 3 squared raised to power 1 over what? 4x. So from here, from my left hand side, I can use this minus 1 to multiply everything here. We are having 3 raised to power what? Minus 1 times x squared, we have minus x squared. Minus times minus is what? Plus 1 times 2x is what? 2x. All over what? 16 minus 2x cubed equals to, now power, I'm going to use this to now to multiply this one. We have here 3 raised to power what? 2 times 1 is 2 over 4x. Very, very interesting. So what we have here now, what we have here is 3 raised to power what? Minus x, this x squared plus 2x all over what? 16 minus 2x cubed equals to 3. Now this 2 here, 2 cancel itself, 1, 2 going to 4 many times 2, so we have a 1 over 2x. Now according to the law of indices, if the bases are the same, we are going to equate the powers. So now these bases are the same, I equate the powers. So I have here from the power, we have minus x squared plus 2x all over what? 16 minus 2x cubed and equals to 1 over what? 2x. Wow, this is very, very interesting. So what we have to do here now is simply do what we call cross multiplication. So I'll simply multiply this times this and cross multiply this times this. So I'm going to say 2x into minus x squared plus 2x equals to 16 minus 2x cubed times 1 will still give me 16 minus 2x cubed. Now I'm going to use this value here outside the parentheses to multiply everything inside the parentheses. So I'm going to say 2x times minus x cubed will have minus x squared minus x cubed, yeah, plus 2x times this we have 4 what? 4x what? 4x squared, yes, equals to 16 minus 2x cubed. Now, by collecting like terms, now we have here minus 2x cubed. When this minus 2x cubed crosses to my left hand side, it's going to turn to plus 2x cubed plus 4x squared equals to what? 16. So now you see that this is gone, this is 0. What we have here is 4x squared equals to what? 16. So I can decide to divide both sides by what? By 4. This will cancel this, and I have here that x squared equals to what? 4 cancel itself, 1. 4 goes here how many times? 4 times. Sorry, 4 times. So we have here x squared equals to 4. Now, I will take root of both sides. If I take root of both sides, that's going to be x equals to what? Plus or minus what? 2. But we are not done. Now, logically, if you solve this yourself, if you substitute the positive value, which is plus 2, into any place you see x, the question will result to 0. But if you substitute a value of minus 2 into this, let's see what it's going to turn to. So let's do that, please. Let's substitute the value. Let's check whether minus 2 will go, because if you substitute plus 2, so you can try that on your own leisure time by substituting plus 2 into this, whether what's going to give you. So we have a 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Let me write it. 3. We have here x squared minus 2x all over what? 16 minus 2x cubed equals to 4th x root of 9. So I want to substitute the value of minus 2 into this. That simply means any place I see my x, I'll put what? Minus 2. So this place is going to be 1 over 3. Now this is going to be minus 2 what? Squared minus 2 to minus what? 2 all over 16 minus 2 into minus 2 cubed equals to 4x. Okay, let me write this as 9 all raised to power what? 1 over 4x. Let me put this place as what? Minus 2. Or is there any need? Let me just first write 4x. Let's solve this first. We have 1 over 3 minus 2 squared is what? 4. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Minus times minus is what? Plus. We have plus 4 here over minus 2 cubed is 8. 2 times 8 is what? 16. Now, minus times minus is what? Plus. So we have 16 plus 16 equals to this place here. I'm going to make this 9 here. I'm going to make this 9 here to be in base 3. I'm going to make this 9 here to be in base 3. So I can simply write it as 3 squared raised to power 1 over 4x. Now I'm coming to my left hand side. So I'm going to make this 1 over 3. You know 1 over 3 is what? 3 raised to power minus 1. So let me write it in that form. We have 3 raised to power minus 1. 4 plus 4 is what? 8 over 16 plus 16 is what? 32 equals to, apply power law here. We have 2 times 1 is what? 2 over what? 4x. So what do we do? Now 8 divide itself 1. 8 goes into 32 4 times. So we have here 3 raised to power minus 1 all raised to power what? 1 over 4 equals to 2 here 1, 2 here what? 2. Remember x was what? Minus 2. We're picking x as minus 2. We have 3 raised to power 1 over what? Minus what? 2. Sorry. You know, we have 2 raised to power minus 2. Yeah, good. So what do we do now? We have here 3. You know, this place here, I can still write it as what? This time, this will still give me 1 over minus this, right? Equals to, this side will give me what? 3, 1 over minus 4. So have you seen both my right hand side and my left hand side? They are equal. That means minus 2 is the only valid number that satisfies this exponential equation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, the Math Therapist. Thank you very much and have a nice day.